Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about an eyebrow enhancing serum called RapidBrow. Several months ago, I was watching Lisa Eldridge do a makeup tutorial, and she was talking about how her eyebrows had gotten a little too bushy because she had been using this RapidBrow eyebrow enhancing serum. And I thought, wait, eyebrows that are too bushy? I've got to check this out. So I did some research, purchased this product, and have been using it now for a couple of months. And so I'm going to be giving you just a quick review on the product, the pricing, the ease of use, and overall my thoughts and whether I will repurchase. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So as I mentioned, the product is called RapidBrow, and it is exclusively for eyebrows, and it's an eyebrow enhancing serum. The directions are that you apply it twice a day, once in the morning, once at night. I apply it in the morning right after my skincare, but before I do any makeup. And it is supposed to, in as little as 60 days, give you fuller looking brows. The blend of ingredients, it says it is with hexatine 2 complex, and it says it's a blend of peptides, biotin, panthenol, keratin, apple fruit cell, and sweet almond extracts. So all of those ingredients are actually really good ingredients, and they are ingredients that are reported to help hair growth. After doing a little research, I found that it was sold on Ulta's website, so I placed an order. It retails for $39.99. I believe I was able to purchase it when Ulta was doing a 20% off, so that made it only like $32 for me. So I thought, you know, for $32, I think this is worth a try. If you have seen my eyebrow tutorial, you know that I have naturally pretty sparse brows, and it just takes me several steps to fill in my eyebrows to the point where I feel like they look like a really good frame for my eyeshadow. So I was looking for something that might make that process a little easier. I didn't think that there would be anything miraculous, but I was just hoping for something that would help provide a little ease of application or ease of doing my eyebrows. So I purchased this product and have been using it for a little over 60 days. And as I mentioned, I apply it morning and night. It has a mascara wand, and the product itself is clear. Now, what I decided initially to do is in the sections of my brows, like right here in this inner part where I had zero hair, I would apply it pretty heavily there. And then right here in the arch of the brow, where again I had zero hair, I would apply some extra product. Then through the brows where I had hair already growing, I applied some there, but not quite as heavily. So I tried to do that twice a day, and as you will see in the before and after picture, it's quite dramatic. Now, the one thing that you are seeing in the after picture that I did add to my brows is I did dye my brows with the Refecticil. I have a whole review on my blog on this product, and I've used it for years. But the eyebrow enhancing serum, it grows the hair, but the hair does not grow in darker. Many lash serums cause your lashes to grow in longer and darker. This does not. So whatever your natural eyebrow color is, that's the color they're gonna grow in. So for me, that is super light blonde hair, so I needed to dye them. But that is the only thing that I have in my brows in that after picture. So you can see that after a little over 60 days, I have a ton more hair that has grown in here in the center of my brows. And then the other thing that I realized, and it says that it does this, it says that it's designed to help condition, enhance, and improve the appearance of the eyebrows. I felt like the hair that was already growing in there has been strengthened, so I'm not losing nearly as many eyebrow hairs as I was before. So overall, as you can probably tell, I highly recommend RapidBrow. Now, just like with any lash serum, you're gonna have to keep using it in order for it to continue to work. So sometimes people think, like with a lash serum or an eyebrow serum, that once your brows grow in, good, I can stop using it. That's not the case. After a period of time, your eyebrows or your lashes are going to go right back to what they were previously. I know, kind of a bummer. But I've used this for over 2 months and I still feel like I might have about half the tube left. It's obviously a little hard to tell, but I'm not having to scrape through to get enough product on there. So I feel like this is going to last me quite a long time. Now, compared to microblading, which can run you upwards of $400 and typically only lasts for about a year. If you're weighing those options, to me, it is better to do this because I think with both scenarios, you're probably still going to fill in a little bit, but I think this saves you a lot of money and you actually have hairs. Microblading, it looks like hair, but it's really not. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, please leave those in the comments section below. If you have tried RapidBrow, I would be interested to hear the results that you may have had as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.